Here's a wet wipe twin screen protector. Clean out any dust or grease particles on the surface of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and then use a provided soft cloth to take any residual solution or oils at the top. There's definitely lots of specks of dust, and there's a dust absorber. So much dust. What's in the air, what comes off the cloth.
Need to try to be to a place with less airflow.
Less airflow, so there isn't any air that gets when the protector is lowered. And that's the dust dabber. There you go. Just those stickies for lining. Guide sticker.
That's it.
There you go. Put in a
Self-absorbed, so there's no bubbles.